A bleak winter's morning in Blaenau Ffestiniog. For 5.5 months, these slate quarrymen have been making this journey not to work, but to a picket line. They're on strike, part of a dispute which has split the town. The strike has similarities to the miners' strike. Slate quarrying is another of Wales's oldest industries. These are the early morning pickets. Striking quarrymen have turned against workmates who've carried on. There are differences. The language of the picket line is Welsh, and violence is noticeably absent. There's one other difference. This strike has not hit the headlines. It's passed almost unnoticed.
I feel very let down because in fact we did come out to support them to begin with. It was there, they were sent home and we went out to support them. That's how it all started, and now they've turned their backs on us and let us down.
The pickets tell men who've gone back to work about the hardships they face. But that's an argument that cuts both ways.
Can't you understand them going back to work though? Mortgages, families to support?
Well, we've all got those. All of us. Some of us have got more problems than them. Some of those have got second jobs. They've got wives who are working. They've got more money coming in than any of us at all.
Bitterness is creeping in. The men of the 3 quarries who are involved in the strike feel betrayed by the 16 men who have gone back to work.